Here I have Amazon Fire 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So first you have to open camera, and here in camera what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So as you can see right now I'm taking like a burst shot, but it's like kinda slow, but could be. And here we can review these photos I just took. So yeah, here we can see my burst shots, but because they are so slow you can't really see like the connection between these motion photos. So yeah, but that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.